Hi, I have two new phones I wanted to tell you about, and I was going to write about them, but I decided to just show you instead. Let's go. So as I said, I have two new phones that I'm testing this week. These are both really interesting phones for different reasons. Let's dive in why. The first one is the Poco F8 Ultra. It's just launched from the same company that makes the Xiaomi and the Redmi phones, so you know it's going to be good quality. Poco is a more lifestyle brand, so they take more chances with design, and you can definitely see that in the back of this one. Look at this. It's textured like the denim of your jeans. It's not actual denim, but it's textured like that. And I like that. It's got a 6.9-inch screen. It has 16 GB of RAM, and it runs on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite 8 Generation 5. I got through that in one, didn't I? I've had a few days with it, and I'm really impressed by the power, the camera, because it's the same Leica system that you'll find in the Xiaomi phones, and most impressed with the sound. I will show you that in a second. I see this as a more stylish, more interesting counter option to the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's actually pretty much as powerful as well. The other one is the Motorola Edge 70, and this I see as the much prettier alternative to the iPhone Air. Look at it. It's so thin, so dinky, but it's also really good. It's super light. The camera notch doesn't jut out as far as on the Air, so it will actually fit in your tight little pockets. Motorola has really gone to town on the design element here. Look at this textured back. It makes it really comfortable to hold, and it makes it pretty to look at. The screen isn't too shabby either. It's a 6.7-inch screen, but with the really thin bezels, it makes it quite compact. It's really light as well. On the back, you've got the same Leica system that seems to be taking over every camera phone on the market at the moment, and I've been very impressed. It doesn't have quite the same number of customization options as the flagship phones, but this is aimed at the mid-range market, and I think it's bound to be a huge hit with people who want their phones to look good and do good. This is the Xiaomi 15. You may remember it from my review earlier this year, or your disco-induced nightmares. I love it. But let's compare it to the Poco and the Motorola. So I've tested them all using Geekbench 6. Now I'm running the GPU test. The GPU on the Xiaomi 15 is very strong. When you compare it to the Samsung Galaxy S24, it's better. It's much better than pretty much every other Android phone in our tests. Meanwhile, the Moto is not as strong GPU-wise, but it's on par with or above the Poco X6 Pro, which is where we expect it to be. In CPU testing, it's middle of the road as well, but this is not a phone you buy for performance, this is a phone you buy for style. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi is better. The Poco is outrageously powerful. It absolutely buries the Samsung Galaxy S24. It beats out the S25 as well and the iPhone 17 Pro. And in CPU testing, it also beats those phones. This is a flagship phone. One more thing I want to talk about is the speakers. The Xiaomi 15 has a really good set of speakers. So I want to compare that to the Moto and the Poco, especially because the Poco says sound by Bose. Will that deliver? So to test the speakers on these phones, I decided to play the same clip from the same YouTube video on all three, set at the same volume. At the end of the day, are these phones worth buying? That's the big question, isn't it? I'd say yes. The Motorola Edge 17 currently retails for £699. I'd say it's my favourite ultra slim phone yet. They always sacrifice on performance. That's just the way it goes, because they have less space to put a processor in and more RAM and battery and everything. But this one is really comfortable. It's really fun to use. It's got a really good camera, and it doesn't slip out of my hands all the time, which is very important. And now the Poco. The Poco it's a flagship phone. I'd say it's a flagship phone. It's got a huge screen, it's got fantastic performance, and it's got denim. Has your iPhone got denim? No. The retail price for the Poco is £799, but in a bizarre fit of insanity, they've already launched a deal on it. It's been out for 24 hours. Usually £799, already a great price. It's £549. That's half the price of a Samsung or an iPhone. So that's a no-brainer. Sort your iPhones, your Samsungs, get a Poco F8 Ultra or a Motorola Edge 70 this Black Friday.